Today we're going to bring a RC stunt car, and this is an awesome device. It's for kids of all ages pretty much, but it says 6 and plus, but pretty much anybody can take control of this and ride with it and do some stunts. So today we're going to take it to the park and have the kids play with it. So let's open it up and see what you get. All right, so this is the RC car. It lights up with LED lights when you turn it on. It transforms into a ball. It's pretty much like a armadillo. That's what it looks like, all right? The car is easy to drive. It has a control that a lot of kids are familiar with it. It looks like an Xbox or PlayStation 5 control pretty much. They give you 2 sets of batteries along with 2 chargers, all right? So let's take it to the park and see how it works.
Where this thing go? Oh, that's cool. I got stuck. What the Oh, you see that drift?